Mic check, mic check. All right, cool. What's going on now? There's audio. I'm just not talking. Waiting for the message to go out. People to pull up. How's everybody doing? Having a good day? Good day? So far, a great day for me. We got about $1,500 to gamble with for FOMC. Pretty much we took 621 puts. Um, Made like 30 something percent. Called it a day. Palantir is in the money and it is still printing. We're up 131%. It's just a beautiful swing trade. Told you guys when I'm swinging, just hold, just listen and hold. Listen and hold. That's it. All right, let's. Looking at this right now. Let me pause this music. All right, so taking a look right now, pretty much we are range bound. If you took the trade this morning, you had to be disciplined. You had to listen. If you look up, that's ES. We traded NQ. All right, so NQ, what happened? I saw this pretty much getting mitigated. Took the short. We had a clear as day drawn liquidity here, clear as day drawn liquidity here, and then we had pretty much my level set right here. Once we hit this level, I got the fuck out the trade. Why? Because, well, every time price hits this level, notice what happens. Exact bottom, exact bottom, exact bottom. Could this be the same thing? It's very possible. It could also be the exact bottom. So, when I say trim, you gotta trim. I know why I'm telling you to trim. If you want to learn why I'm telling you to trim, that's a different discussion. However, right now we just need to be kind of just being patient, be disciplined, just build up that buffer. We're still kind of just chopping. Currently, we are kind of bearish on the hourly time frame. We could easily expand lower. We could break below this range. We could break above this range. Understand, FOMC, you are going to get paid 100%. All you got to do is wait to break out of this range. If it clicks. Price breaks out of this range, you make money. Price stays in this range, you could make money, but you have to be a very disciplined individual. If you're not a very disciplined individual, you probably will not make money. You probably will get chopped your ass up back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. If you want, you take it down to the bottom, you take it back to the top of the range, you take it back down to the bottom of the range. We're range bound. If you're going to trade this range, this is the range. Pretty much from 736 down to 616. Pretty much about 100-point range, 120-point range. Or what I would do, personally, is wait for this range to break out. Once this range breaks out, hey, We got the expansion to the upside. Notice how this equilibrium block has been literally perfect the entire time. Notice this one as well. You got the change of state delivery, price push down. You got the change of state delivery, price push down. Gave you the retest, push back down. Gave you the retest again, push back down. Gave you the retest again, push back down. Same thing here. This level, pretty much. Let's see, we can go back as far as you want. But this level is perfect. Every time price hits this level, we buy back up. Hits it again, buys back up. Hits it again, buys back up. We're range bound. Do not trade it or be disciplined, either or. But currently we are bearish on the day. Quick day for me on futures. Pretty much just scalped like $200. And that's pretty much it. I was just like, hey, there's nothing really to do here. We're copy trading them, so it's really like what, $800? Yeah, 4 accounts. Yeah, so like $800. Quick in and out. Right now, in terms of options, we took a nice little scalp, made about 1,000 or like 1,500, a little less now, like 1,400, and pretty much we're done. I have literally one contract. Even if that one contract goes to 0%, guess what? I still will end the day at $1,300, or roughly $1,200, somewhere around there. Or at least end of morning. Pretty much just building up a buffer right now for FOMC. Price is probably going to continuously chop for FOMC. So if you're trading this chop, be mindful. We're chopping. We're in a range. Trade the range. Don't expect this to break out. You're trading up a hopium. Now in terms of common stocks, go ahead and take a look here. All right, Oracle, we're getting an expansion up. I would never touch Moderna again, or at least not until like a recession starts or something. Hopefully that comes pretty soon. Healthcare is moving now, like some of the big healthcare names. Well, I guess we're currently having a pullback. Not bad, but a lot of healthcare is green today. Interesting. This thing has just been a non-stop rip. Are we all-time highs? No, we're not all-time highs. Huh, this actually is pretty interesting. We could easily push back up to all-time highs. Let's see what UPS is doing. I know they just fired a shit ton of people and that might have helped the stock. Ha 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 ha. Funny enough. This is why it's important to look back at setups sometimes, or even just set alerts, because actually I did get an alert, I guess, but I didn't see it. I don't know. Anyway, FedEx is running. Could this be the bottom? Potentially? Maybe? For you pattern traders, there goes your shoulder. There goes your head. And here goes your other shoulder. Had a daily trend line break. Head and shoulders. There you go. This actually looks really good. I kind of like this. Let's see. UPS. And this is a head and shoulders on a daily time frame. And we took COVID lows. What? What? We took COVID lows perfectly. Okay, there's a shit ton of orders at COVID lows. All right, yeah, this is the bottom, or at least a short-term bottom. I could see maybe like a something like this, like a little pop up, pull back down, and then go. But I'm willing even to sit through some of this retracement potentially, as long as we have enough time. What the fuck just happened to RKLB? Whoa, 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 whoa. These just were literally just down. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Well, okay, I'll take it. I will take that. I will take that. Wow. Ah. Keep it simple, ladies and gentlemen. Fucking Palantir ripping to the moon. Rocket Labs ripping to the moon. I am just gonna go ahead and close this last contract because there's no point in giving back money on QQQ, even if it does dump. We're only down 18%, 17%, but no point in giving back any profits, especially once our swings are running. Like I said, our swings, when I call it a swing trade, you make money. Guaranteed almost. It's safe to say I can guarantee you to make money when I'm swing trading and when I'm trading SPX at the end of the day, or QQQ at the end of the day, or QQQ in general. Yeah, those are my strong suits. QQ, SPX, and swing trading. It's literally guaranteed money. Contracts are also tightening. I like it. I like it. I'm gonna take a small little trim, very small trim, very small, very very small, just to say I did so. Three contracts. All right. We just took a trim here at 1.76 on RKLB. Let's fucking go. Great day. Really good day. Volunteer. To the fucking moon. Okay. We're gonna take a trim here on Palantir too. It's a 50k position. 15k. Kind of might leave this. Let this shit run a little more. And I also posted the Palantir chart, I think last week when we were live trading. You guys are seeing why I'm taking these setups. Hopefully you're learning why. You should be learning why. But I'm not going to force that down anybody's throat. If you want to learn, you learn on your own. But yeah, you guys are seeing why I'm taking the trades. You guys are seeing them play out. Hopefully everybody's making money. It's very simple, easy setups. Let me go alert this on Twitter. Percent. Keep pumping. Cool. I'm all for it. Um, okay, you're doing good. Sold at 1.65, 65%. You are very welcome, Nav. You're welcome. Shout out to the people that are appreciative. You're welcome. Um, what else do we got? Tier LTR. Fucking beautiful trade. Beautiful, beautiful trade. Beautiful trade. Oh shit, we were up even more this morning, I guess. Probably caught up on cues, not paying attention. Actually, I definitely wasn't QQQ then. Um, close 26 contracts. We're gonna close 2 contracts. Fucking insane. 2 contracts. 2 contracts for $1,800. Or my math is off. No, that's correct. $1,800, a little more. Whoa, what the fuck is going on? Oh my goodness. Yo, my swing trades are fucking insane. Um, yeah, I think I might call this a morning. I don't know what the fuck is going on. Unexpected error code. Unexpected error code. What is happening? Reload? What is going on? Oh, search options is no, it's not down. I don't know. LMD been on a tear, but the premium spreads are wide. PenW puts from Monday might finally work out today. Just gotta wait till the premium tighten up. Okay, okay. Disappointed in myself with the Vigo, man. Uh, Vigo has just been ripping higher and higher and higher. But yeah, if you took any of the trades, please post some gains. Greatly appreciated. Show the world what's possible. Help your fellow community members also know what's possible. All you gotta do is listen. All right, so something's going on with surge options. Not really sure what the hell is going on. So just focus on your own personal broker. And yeah, good job today. Great job today. I will see you guys later. Hope you guys have a blessed rest of your day. And be careful for power hour. Take care, everybody.